shortcut series in important topics of chemistry. Okay, so we have named the series, that means the series of these classes, some short tricks, some shortcuts I would like to teach you. Okay, so yesterday I explained you how to find valency of first 25 elements just within 2 minutes by putting a small effort. Okay, just ఒక 3 minutes ట్రై చేసి మీరు ఫస్ట్ 25 ఎలిమెంట్స్ వ్యాలెన్సీ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి, ఇంకెలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, నాట్ ఓన్లీ టు ఫైండ్, ఓకే, టు రిమెంబర్ యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్, టు రిమెంబర్ యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్. సో ఫర్ దట్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ఏ షార్ట్ ట్రిక్. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ యూ రిమెంబర్డ్ ఇట్? కెన్ యూ డూ నౌ? హ్యావ్ యూ బై హార్టెడ్? Is it required to by heart that one? No, just if you practice once by spending 2 to 3 minutes, definitely will get grip over that concept. So in the same way, in today's session I would like to explain you, I would like to make you learn. Listen all of you carefully. I would like to make you learn. See the sentence, the difference in my sentence, not I would like to explain, I would like to make you learn. Okay, within the session one more important topic through some other shortcut, okay, by applying some short trick or whatever you call it as shortcut. So you know very well. So this one more thing, let me make it clear. These classes are helpful for the high school standard students as well as for the +1 +2 up to NEET and IIT main aspirants. అందరికీ ఉపయోగపడే విధంగా ఉంటాయి. Okay, so as a part of that, so the today's topic, it is about one of the most important chapters of chemistry. See, if you take either NEET syllabus or IIT main syllabus, we have around 30 chapters in chemistry. Okay, out of these 30 chapters, so basics of these chapters only were present in the 10th, were present in the 9th, were present in the 8th. అంతే కదా, ఏవైతే +1 +2 స్టాండర్డ్లో చాప్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ చాప్టర్స్కు సంబంధించిన బేసిక్సే మీకు 9th 10th స్టాండర్డ్ 9th స్టాండర్డ్ 8th స్టాండర్డ్స్లో ఇస్తారు, అవునా కాదా? సో దట్ ద సిలబస్ ఈజ్ ద సేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద 8th స్టాండర్డ్ టు అప్ టు 12th స్టాండర్డ్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి వాంట్స్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ ద IIT మెయిన్ ఆర్ IIT, దట్ మీన్స్ NEET ఆర్ డిఫెన్స్, ఎనీ ఎగ్జామ్, ద సిలబస్ ఈజ్ ద సేమ్ ఇన్ కెమిస్ట్రీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. ఓకే, సో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఎంటైర్ సిలబస్, which chapter can be considered as the mother chapter of chemistry? So my question is, which chapter can be considered as the mother chapter of chemistry? Structure of atom. Structure of atom, basic concepts, basic concepts to understand the different chapters of chemistry. The periodic classification, the chapter can be considered as the most fundamental chapters of chemistry, can be treated as mother chapter of chemistry, right? Okay, so in that chapter so I would like to discuss with you, I would like to make you learn. The topic is, see, first of all write a question, then you will come to understand what I am going to teach. Write a question. What is the atomic number? What is the atomic number? What is the atomic number of an element belongs to fifth period and 14th group. 5th period and 14th group. Yes, your time starts now. So how much time is given to solve a question? 1 minute. Okay, 60 seconds. So your time has started. Please make use of 60 seconds and come up with answer. So look at your books. The question is, what is the atomic number of an element belongs to 5th period and 14th group? 15. Tin. So the one of the answer, option 1 is tin. They are saying tin. I am asking atomic number. Atomic number 50. See, 14th group na, carbon, silicon, okay, germanium, tin. Yes, tin belongs to 5th period. Tin belongs to 5th period. And what I have told, and 14th group. Yes, carbon atomic number 14, sorry, don't mind, atomic number 6, 14, germanium 32 and 50. Okay, good answer. So to crack this kind of questions, so whatever the trick I am going to tell you, still helpful to you. Okay, you have just cracked very good, within the time you have cracked. Some of you, how many have done, sincerely say? So from the juniors batch, 1 member, from the seniors batch 3 members are appearing. Okay, but what about the second row and third row? Otherwise first row and second row? Huh? So far, see, whoever have understood the logic which is present in the periodic table, they could have done very well. But my intention is to give the essence of the logic for each and every student. Okay, see, out of our class only 5 to 6 members have done, but my intention, out and out, every student has to do this kind of questions successfully within the 60 seconds, right? See, for this, the trick is nothing but, see, first of all, let me say S block elements. About S block elements. About S block elements. Now, a small question. So, within the topic, some Lilliput questions are also there. What is the location of S block elements in the periodic table? Location of S block elements in the periodic table? Left side. Okay, left side. Extreme left. Which elements are there in the periodic table? Extreme left. S block elements, but first A group elements are there. But left side, okay, the location of the S block elements is left side in the periodic table. Yes, you know very well. In S block, 1A group elements. Actually, the group is called 1A, but hydrogen is not treated as the 1A group element. So let it be hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay. Next, but hydrogen is excluded. Just it is better to exclude hydrogen to apply the trick easily. Okay. We are applying trick to solve questions easily. So we have to concentrate about easy method, so that for a while you exclude the hydrogen. Just remove the hydrogen. Only lithium. Next to lithium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, and radium. Okay. Now see, what is the trick about the S block elements means? First of all, you have to know the atomic number of first elements. See, there are how many groups in S block? 2 groups. 1A group, 2A group. 1A group is also called alkali metals. 2A group is also called alkaline earth metals. All these things you know. Okay. So in these 2 groups, if any question is asked like this, everyone can solve by applying this trick. The trick is, first of all, you have to remember the atomic numbers of first elements. Say, what is the atomic number of this element?
3.
Lithium is 3. What is the atomic number of beryllium? 4. Very simple, 3, 4. Now the trick is, see, plus 8, see, 2 times plus 8, 2 times plus 8, 2 times plus 8, 2 times plus 18, 1 time plus 32, 1 time plus 32. So this is the trick which is applicable for the S block elements, only S block elements. See, what you have to know initially, basically you have to know the atomic numbers of first elements, the atomic number of first element of first A group, the atomic number of first element of second A group. So you have to know the atomic numbers of first elements, and it is enough to find the atomic number of any element in the S block. Okay, the trick is plus 8 2 times, plus 18 2 times, plus 32 1 time. You have to calculate. Okay, do some small example. Atomic number of barium. Atomic number of barium. It is nothing but second A group na? Atomic number of barium, second A group. Second A group means the first element you have to know. What is the atomic number of first element? Plus 4. So, and you have to know the elements which are present in the group. Elements which are present in the group. Or otherwise, if it is asked, barium na belongs to 6th period and second A group. Write a small question. Okay, atomic number of the element of 6th period and second A group. 6th period and second A group. See, you no need to think about the periods. First of all, take second A group is given. Second A group is given. First of all, you have to know the elements of second A group: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay? See, to apply tricks, first of all, the basic periodic table should be in your mind. అదైతే ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు ట్రిక్స్ని అప్లై చేసి చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఇచ్చిన టైంలో జస్ట్ 10 సెకండ్స్లో 15 సెకండ్స్లో ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఎస్, డోంట్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ద పీరియడ్, థింక్ అబౌట్ ఓన్లీ గ్రూప్. ఎస్, గ్రూప్ 2A, అండ్ యూ నో ద ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్ 2A, alkaline earth metals. Then see, first element comes in second period. You should keep this point in mind. ఓకే, ఈ పాయింట్ మీ మైండ్లో గుర్తుండాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏ పీరియడ్లో వస్తుంది? సెకండ్. అంటే ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్ను మనం ఎలిమినేట్ చేసాం. See, for the sake of convenient, we have just kept aside the first period. Don't include the first period. Only 2 elements are there. One is hydrogen, second one is helium. Only 2 elements are there. So don't include the first 2 elements. And take the, see, so that the second A group starts with the second period, in second period. Okay, the first element in second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period. So you don't bother about the period number. Easily you can get it. But you have to know about the group number, the elements which are present in the group. At least ఆ ఐడియా మీకు ఉండాలి. ఓకే, so the group starts second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then you can find 4 plus 2 times 8 na, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 18, 38, 38 plus 18, 56. So this is the a method, somewhat easy method to find the atomic numbers of the elements. Have you found some easiness or not? Okay, see, focus about the group number. Recall the or remember the elements which are present in the group. And after that, don't bother about the first period. Because of only 2 elements are there. Okay, total periodic table కు పెద్ద మనుషులు అనుకోండి, ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు. ఒకవైపు హైడ్రోజన్, ఇంకోవైపు హీలియం. ఆ పెద్ద మనుషులను అలాగే ఆ పెద్ద మనుషులాగే ఉంచండి. డోంట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ఇన్ ద పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్. Just be them aside. Then every period, any block starts from second period only. By that time, any block starts from second period. And D start kaadu. S and P will start from second period. Okay. Then first element comes in second period. Next element third, next element fourth, next element fifth, next element sixth. ఓకే, సో ఎస్ బ్లాక్లో ఎక్కువ ఎలిమెంట్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి మనకు పెద్ద గజిబిజిగా ఉండదు, ఈజీగా మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇంకో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చేయండి. అటామిక్ నెంబర్ Z. Find Z of the element belongs to fourth period first A group. Fourth period first A group. Don't say answer, don't say, just do it. Let them do others. ఆన్సర్ చెప్పదు. మీరు చేశారా? హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేయండి చాలా. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ డన్, జస్ట్ రైజ్ ద హ్యాండ్. ఐ విల్ కన్సిడర్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ డన్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఐ విల్ గో త్రూ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. రైట్, గుడ్. ఐ విల్ కమ్ టు యూ. ఫోర్త్ పీరియడ్ ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ యూ, డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ పీరియడ్. పీరియడ్ గురించి ఆలోచించకండి. గ్రూప్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫోకస్ అబౌట్ గ్రూప్. ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్, ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్, as well as whenever you deal with the, very good, I will come to you. Whenever you deal with the periodic table, don't include hydrogen and helium, especially in this case, to calculate the atomic numbers. You know, hydrogen atomic number is 1, helium atomic number is 2. వాటిని ప్రక్కన పెట్టండి. ఈజీ అవుతుంది, మెథడ్ ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఫోకస్ అబౌట్ ద గ్రూప్ number is nothing but ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ అన్నాను. ఇఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఈజ్ ఎలిమినేటెడ్, దట్ starts with lithium. Okay, so lithium is in second period, third period, fourth period. Which comes at fourth period? Potassium easily can be found. వేరే లెక్కలేం అవసరం లేదు. No need to. Okay, first group, fourth period. The lithium present in second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period and seventh period. So lithium present in second period, then sodium present in third, potassium present in fourth period. That's all. Understand? So చేయగలుగుతున్నారా? Who have not done earlier, are you getting some easiness? Can you do it? Right. Okay, this is about S block now. Let me switch over towards P block elements. P block elements చూద్దాం. See, here is a small question, crispy question. చాలా చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ అయినా కూడా మిమ్మల్ని కొద్దిగా ఇబ్బంది పెడుతుంది. The elements belong to, write the question and try to write answer within 15 seconds or 10 seconds. The elements belong to first period. The elements belong to first period. Okay, belongs to option 1, 1A group, option 1, 1A group, option 2, S block, option 3, P block, option 4, S and P block. Wait, just do answer, I will come to you. Cheppan kada? No, everyone do answer. See, the elements belong to S block. See, I have asked a question about 2 elements, not about 1 element. Okay, the elements of first period. How many are there in first period? 2 elements are there. Yes, so they belong to which group or which block is my question. So they are going with 4th option. Okay, slightly they have done a slight error. It's not the 4th option is not the answer. First option is not the answer. I think only 50-50, third and the second. So only 2 options are left in your hands. So decide the first. Second option, which is that? So why is it S block? First period, hydrogen S block. What about helium? Then what? Which option you will go? You have to go. 4th option. Honest. Very good. So based on the electronic configuration, based on the differentiating electron, both belong to S block only. Both hydrogen and helium. See the question. మీకు బాగా తెలిసినప్పటికీ కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మిమ్మల్ని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టే క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఇట్స్ మై ఇంటెన్షన్, ఇట్స్ మై ట్రై టు మేక్ ఈజీ దోస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆల్సో. The elements of first period belongs to S block, undoubtedly S block. Both hydrogen as well as helium, rendu S block elements. Andulo ettuvanti doubt ledu. Okay, right. Next, now we are going to find what is the trick for the P block elements. Okay ma, what is the extreme right of the periodic table? See, just the right side, the right portion of the periodic table, P block elements. But I am asking the extreme right, inert gases are present. Extreme right. Okay, and as usual I am excluding helium. Now I am taking from neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and 118, unoctium. Okay, so here also can we apply the same trick for them also? See, neon, but here the trick is somewhat different. 1 time 8, 2 times plus 18, 2 times plus 32. 1 time 8, 2 times plus 18, 2 times plus 32. See, for the neon is, what is the atomic number of neon? 10. So atomic number of neon is 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 10 plus 8, 36 plus 18, 54. 54 plus 32, 86. 86 plus 32, 180. So only one time 8. So you have to know the atomic number of first element. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో ద అటామిక్ నంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. మినిమమ్ సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. సి హియర్ ఆల్సో సి which is lithium and beryllium belongs to second period. Here neon belongs to second period. Next fluorine belongs to second period, first element. Next oxygen belongs to second period. Nitrogen belongs to second. Carbon belongs to second. Then boron, then beryllium and lithium. అంటే జస్ట్ మీకు సెకండ్ పీరియడ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అటామిక్ నంబర్స్ తెలిస్తే మిగతా ఎలిమెంట్స్ అటామిక్ నంబర్స్ ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, వితౌట్ బై హార్టింగ్. బట్ ఓన్లీ వన్ థింగ్ యూ నీడ్ టు బై హార్ట్. For the S block elements, what is the formula need to be applied? Atomic number of first element. Plus 8 how many times? 2 times. Plus 18? 2 times. Plus 32? Only 1 time. Whereas in case of P block elements, plus 8 only 1 time. Plus 18? 2 times. Plus 32? 2 times. So this is the slight variation. There 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Here 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. These two are the tricks for the P block elements. Okay, now do. See, my intention is everyone has to do. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ చేయాలి క్వశ్చన్. ఎవరైతే ఫాస్ట్గా చేస్తారో ఈసారి డెఫినెట్గా ఐ విల్ కమ్ టు యూ, ఐ విల్ చెక్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. జస్ట్ రైజ్ హ్యాండ్. ఓకే, Z మీన్స్ అటామిక్ నంబర్. Z the element Z of the element in between tin and iodine. Z of the element in between tin and tellurium, iodine కాదు tellurium, in between tin and tellurium. మీరు question, you have to rewrite the question. First of all, question rewrite. See, atomic number of the element. Which atomic number I asked? Fifth period, fifth or sixth? Fifth period, fifth group, 15th group, fifth A group or 15th group. Okay, so fifth period, 15th A group, 15th group or fifth A group, in between tin and tellurium kada. Okay, my question is very clear. Atomic number of the element in between tin and tellurium. Logic can be applied, short trick can be applied. అన్నింటికన్నా ముందు మీ మైండ్ బాగా పనిచేయాలి. ఇక్కడ రెండు లాజిక్లు ఉన్నాయి. చేసావా ఆకాష్? కంప్లీటెడ్? Who have done? Not done? What is the answer? 51. Okay, still anybody has done? I am not considering the answer. ఎందుకు 51 అవుతుంది? Has done anybody here? చేయలేదా? What is the answer? Yes, answer is okay. Just only to make you confused, I have told. Answer is 51. See, there are two logics. మన బుర్రకు నేను చెప్పిన షాట్రిక్ లాజిక్ లేకపోయినా ఇంకో లాజిక్ ఉండాలి. ఫస్ట్ టిన్ ఎంత అన్నారు మీరు? 50 అన్నారు. దాని జస్ట్ అడ్జసెంట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఆస్క్డ్. 50 ప్రక్కన ఎలిమెంటే అడిగాను కదా, అప్పుడు అది ఏమవుతుంది? ద అటామిక్ నెంబర్ 51. సో ఇవన్నీ కాదు, ఈ షార్ట్ ట్రిక్లో అవన్నీ ప్రక్కన పెట్టండి. ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్, ఓకే, లెట్ ఇట్ బి. అలా మీ మైండ్ అలా వర్క్ చేయలేదు, జస్ట్ గో విత్ ట్రిక్. ఫిఫ్త్ పీరియడ్ అంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ యూ 2 clues. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ టిన్ అండ్ టెల్యూరియం అన్నాను. టిన్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు 14th group అండ్ టెల్యూరియం బిలాంగ్స్ టు 16th group. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ అంటే 15th group. అండ్ టిన్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు 5th period వి నో, సో ఇట్ ఆల్సో బిలాంగ్స్ టు 5th period. 5th period 15th group. పీరియడ్ గురించి ఆలోచించద్దన్నాను. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ అబౌట్ 15th group. 15th group నైట్రోజన్, ఫాస్ఫరస్, ఆర్సినిక్, స్టిబైన్, ఓకే, బిస్మత్. నేను ఎలిమెంట్ అడగలేదు, ఎలిమెంట్ అడిగితే ఇంకొంచెం ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. ఓన్లీ అటామిక్ నెంబరే అడుగుతున్నాను. ఓకే, సో నైట్రోజన్ ఈస్, అప్లై ద ట్రిక్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు నో అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నైట్రోజన్. 8? వెరీ గుడ్. అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నైట్రోజన్ ఈస్ 7. 7 + 8, 7 + 8 15. 15 + 18 33. 33 + 18 ఏది నాన్న, ఏమడిగాను నేను? సారీ, 51, అదే కదా, 51. 51 + 32 80. అగైన్ 2 times is there na, again bismuth, and pentium. 83 + 32 115. Okay, have you understood? At least analysis understood? Sincerely say, who could have not done? ఎవరు చేయలేకపోయారు చెప్పండి? నువ్వు చేయలేదు. Both of you have done. There boys, have you done? Not done. Yes, right down here girls. No need to hesitate, because of if you hesitate, you are that means deceiving yourself. Have you done? Both of you? Not done. You have done. Not. Both of you? Done. Not done. Girls, you have not done? Okay, right. So nana boys, నువ్వు చేసావు, నువ్వు చేయలేదు. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 5-6 members చేయలేదు. Okay, rest of the students have done. See what I have asked, the question, the element in between tin and tellurium. So tin belongs, first of all, that is why minimum you need to have the idea about the elements and that means their groups, elements and their groups and elements elagaina cheppandi, minimum ఆ ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో 15th group సారీ, ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ టిన్ అండ్ టెల్యూరియం అన్నాను. సో టెల్యూరియం జస్ట్ కొన్ని గుర్తులు పెట్టుకోండి. టెల్యూరియం, ఆక్సిజన్, సల్ఫర్, సెలీనియం, టెల్యూరియం, పొలోనియం, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇలా వచ్చేవన్నీ 16th group. ఓకే, జస్ట్ బిఫోర్ ద 16th group మీన్స్ 15th group. ఐ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ క్లూ ఆల్సో, ఓన్లీ క్వశ్చనే చెప్పలేదు, ఐ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ క్లూ ఆల్సో. 15th group 5th period అన్నాను. సో పీరియడ్ వదిలేయండి, 15th group అన్నానా, మీరు ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయాలి. నైట్రోజన్, ఫాస్ఫరస్, ఆర్సినిక్, స్టిబైన్, బిస్మత్, అన్, పెంటియం. ఓకే, సో ఏ గ్రూప్ అయితే అక్కడ 15th group అయితే 115 వస్తుంది లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్. 16th group 116, 17th group 117, 14th group 114, the last element atomic number. That is one more trick, very simple statement. The last element atomic number, it is just a group number. Okay, the last element of the 13th group 113, the last element of the 14th group 114, like that 115, 116, 117, 118. Okay, adoka point in your mind lo, you have to fix the point in mind. So in that way, now you have written nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, stibine, bismuth. If you are interested, write this one also. Then what is the trick? 1 time 8. You have to know the atomic number of first element plus 8. Do now who have not done. ఇప్పుడు చేయండి నాతో పాటు. నేను కూడా మీ మాదిరి నాకు కూడా ఏం తెలియదు అనుకోండి. Let me consider I didn't know anything. So I have written the symbols of the elements in the 15th group. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, that is stibine, bismuth. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేశాను? Next to that what I have done? So I have written the atomic number of first element nitrogen 7. One time I have added 8. Then I got the atomic number of next element. After that I have added 18. Then I got the atomic number of its next element. Again I have added 18. Then I got the next element, atomic number. Okay. Then I have added 32. I got the next element. And I will get next element by adding 32. But I want nitrogen is in second period. See, in case of S block and P block elements, if you exclude hydrogen and helium, all the elements will be started in the second period. All the elements the first elements are in the second period. Ante kada? If you exclude hydrogen from left side, helium from right side, the rest of the elements first they are present in the second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, so second period lo unna element atomic number meeku teliyali. Then add 8, get the third period element atomic number. Add 18, get the fourth period element atomic number. Add one more 18, we will get the fifth period element atomic number. So this is the method, right? See, what are the numbers we need to add in S block lo endana? 2 times 8, 2 times 18, 1 time 32. In case of P block, 1 time 8, 2 times 18 and 2 more times 32. Don't forget, this is the summary. Okay, whatever I have explained from the beginning, but the summary of the topic is this. What is the trick? In case of S block, you have to know the atomic number of the first element, and period no need to know. Each and every element is present in the second period. The first element of all the groups of S block and P block present in the second period. Okay, then you have to know the atomic number of first element and follow this trick. Okay, what about D block elements? What about D block elements? Okay, right. So in case of D block elements, actually write a small question mark. So if you have complete idea about the periodic table, everyone has to write this answer. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు రాయాలి. నన్న క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను. Okay, the question is D block elements are present in the following periods. Option 1 3 4 5 6, option 2 4 5 6 7, option 3 3 4 6 7, option 4 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5. D block elements are present in the following periods annanu, following groups anledhu nenu. Okay, be attentive, do it fast. Just raise hand who have done answer. Show me the answer. Just tick and show me the answer. Okay, D block elements. Have you done one? Change. Still you have time. 60 seconds are not completed. Okay, 60 seconds is a huge time. Done? Show me the answer. Slowly. Just show your notebook. Same answer? No, you didn't get. Okay, you try sincerely. What about you, ma? Same answer for both of you. You are going with another option. You are going with another option. First option, third option. Miranta second option. EMI is third option, EMI first option. So in the fourth period, with which element D block elements have been started? Fourth period. See, in fourth period starts with potassium. Potassium to start hota hai. Okay. Scandium and ends with zinc. Fifth period starts with yttrium, ends with cadmium. Sixth period starts with lanthanum, ends with mercury. Seventh period D block element starts with actinium, ends with 112. An భయం. Okay. భయమే లేదంటున్నది అన్ భయం నో ఓకే అన్ భయం 112. సో దీస్ ఆర్ సి ఇన్ ఫోర్త్ పీరియడ్, ఫిఫ్త్ పీరియడ్, సిక్స్త్ పీరియడ్ అండ్ సెవెంత్ పీరియడ్. ఇన్ ఫోర్త్ పీరియడ్ స్కాండియం అటామిక్ నంబర్ 21 to జింక్ అటామిక్ నంబర్ 30, ఎట్రియం అటామిక్ నంబర్ 38 to 39 గుడ్ 39 to atomic number 39 to 40, cadmium 48, atomic number 57 to 80, atomic number 89 to 11. So this is about the D block element. Okay, what is the trick we need to apply in case of D block element? First of all, you have to know the groups of the D block. That's all. Groups of the D block. చూడండి, they are telling based on the previous two cases. అంతే కదా. సో ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ D block there are 10 vertical columns present, 10 B groups are present. Modern version లేదు, the traditional version అయితే 8 groups are present. So starts from every D block element starts with third B group, ends with second B group. Every D block element, every D block series starts with third B element, ends with 2B element, second B element. Okay, so third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B, up to here the trend is regular. But in case of eighth B, there are 3 vertical columns. How many are included? 3 vertical columns are included. They are treated as a single group, eighth B. After that 1B, 2B. These are the groups. Okay, so in case of D block, the first element of any group is present in which period? Fourth period. In case of D block, the first element of any group is present in fourth period. Right? Okay, then see 21 plus 39 means what I have to add? I need to add 18. Ante kada. So if I want to get 39 from 21, so I have to add 18. Next from 39 to 57, one more 18. From 57 to 89, 30. Only 2 times 18, 1 time 32. This is the trick to find the atomic number of any D block element. See, you have to know the atomic numbers of the first elements of all the groups in fourth period. Okay, of D block, because of the first elements of all the groups of D block present in fourth period. Then fifth period, sixth period, seventh period. Right? Okay, write a small question. Find the atomic number of the element belongs to sixth period and sixth B group, sixth period and sixth. Okay, sixth B group. See, first of all, when it is the first element is 21, second element 22, 23, 24. You no need to know the names of the elements, just atomic numbers, no options. I am explaining, you don't worry. So 24. So what is the logic? 24 plus 18, you are going to get 42. 42 plus 18, because of I have asked sixth period element. So 42 is the atomic number of fifth period. Sixth period, 42 plus 18, 60. No need to know the names. You have to know the atomic numbers of the first element of all the groups of D block element. Enough? Plus 18 and plus 32. 2 times plus 18, 1 time plus 32. Have you understood it? Okay, do one more. Z of atomic number, Z of the element fifth B, Z of the element fifth B and seventh period. Fifth B and seventh period. Z of the element fifth B and seventh period. Think about only group anna nenu. గ్రూప్ గురించి ఆలోచించండి. సి యు నో వెరీ వెల్ థర్డ్ బి ఎలిమెంట్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఎంత? ఇది మాత్రం క్లూ ఇస్తాను, మీరే చేయండి. నో ఆప్షన్స్, డిస్క్రిప్టివ్. సో దే ఆర్ టెలింగ్ ఫిఫ్త్ బి. దే ఆర్ సేయింగ్ దట్ 105 ఒక ఆప్షన్ అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, 105 ఈజ్ వన్ ఆప్షన్. స్టిల్ just apply the logic. Don't believe their answer, don't believe them. You have to believe yourself, that's all. You have to believe yourself, don't believe others. Chudam nana, see fifth B group na, that means third B group 21 means this is 22, this is 23. 23 plus 18 ma 41. 41 plus 18 ma 59. 59 plus 32 91. Okay, so have you understood it? See, the summary of the entire session is how to find atomic number of any element in S block. Okay, just by observing its location, when only its location is given. So where it is present, second period fifth group, fifth period second group, in that way when only position is given, then how do we find the atomic number of different blocks of elements? For the S block elements, what is the formula? 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. For the P block elements, 32, 32. For the D block elements, 18, 18, 32. Okay, right. And now a small question. The group number of F block elements. The group number of F block elements. The group number of F block elements. Option 1, 14. Option 2, fourth A. Option 3, fourth B. Option 4, third B. What is the answer?